Welcome to the Infrared Honor 70, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, let's open the settings application, and after that tap the home screen and wallpaper section. Here then click the wallpaper, and we can select our new wallpaper from our device. Photos previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use our default wallpapers. Just for example, let's select this wallpaper, then click on the right down corner and tap to lock screen. Wait a second and let's just check, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. So just first pinch the home screen, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. Click here and just by the same way select one from this available wallpapers, tap to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.